Hello everyone. Medilo ju person ngang bai de adu bo wahai amani khat amani share dog di bo uji thoi ba tho dok chi chuk mun ngai de ai ba de mayam khangang gani manipur da uji thoi ba tho dok chi bo mai oina cookie narco terrorist refugee moino uji tori chi bo adu first di mai de bu tore uji te amu kan naka ko la kroi adu ga han nan angang ani moina bonga pokai halaga angang ani tung shi ba ngang du ju shi bre ko adu ga nan mo ngarang nan amu ga tangpul impang da gi ukru lakpom dam da moina lambi da impulse tore ga miani hat mi re go amu ga ko hey cookies especially refugee cookies go in a hiding body go we the Nagas are the peace loving community especially our temple ekoi angang wedding ai de ekoi ima ipa sing ekoi ge forefather sing ekoi bo takpi body love your enemies go durga mi bo revenge lo no have to takpi ba go ekoi adu damak angang wedding ai de oji phau bo ekoi yang patient we now Krishu tauba ngamdaba tinat tibo adubo as a Christian ama oina ekoi as patego aina nakpawani adubo henman gre go cookie singje go henman gre go kibanate henman gre go cookies are the refugee habije angang sing wangang ba ngang ba go moi shin ju khang ye ujik de it is clear that you guys are refugees adoi tamak cookie singo haining body go ni gi lamda leirodi you have to recognize you have to honor to the landowner go Hazan the lake air di go Wai madama da noi Manipur da ki or like Naga ki lam da ki chat la di noi tai chakera noi lam nei te atu dama nungshi nai ko na lehal laga noi na mapu tawge ujik te ha so dear brothers and sisters from cookies know this I can die for my motherland, okay? But you, Egi, motherland give the makshi, but I won't regret. Egi regret But you, if you die in this war, you will regret. I know. I didn't know it Chundeba. Don't think that ekoi tumra leye tangbu singje naga singje ekoi ki khutlai phajai kaina moi kiram gani hana di khang bi gano noina leiba khutlai chap mana na ekoi chu leigo we have go adu noi ekoi di noi ge adu na show off tawning de go adu bu know this know your landlord know your landowner cookie terrorist refugee lion je tum ringai matam da go hokathan ganu ma bo proverb sama leib ni go henman gre cookie noi sing je henman gre we the young generation our blood is boiling like anything inside okay but we're still controlling. Do we not have patience enough? So there are cookies, terrorists, refugees. Know this, okay?